Welcome to JH. Have you heard of Airabreeze.com? They're peddling something called the Airabreeze, a tiny, portable air cooler that supposedly offers instant, eco-friendly cooling. It sounds like a dream for anyone living in a furnace. But is this store actually legit or just a digital hallucination? Spoiler alert, it's looking more like a mirage. When we dig into the reviews on Trustpilot, the feedback is about as warm as the air this device actually blows. Customers are reporting a buffet of disappointment, ranging from misleading ads to performance that makes a handheld paper fan look like industrial equipment. Some poor souls even expected a high-tech cooler only to receive a tiny USB fan that couldn't cool a hamster. Apparently, the company also enjoys a bit of financial creative writing, charging in USD instead of local currency and tacking on mystery warranty fees. It's a bold strategy to make friends, but hey, maybe they're just really into surprise billing. Then there are the product images, which look suspiciously like they were borrowed from the deepest corners of the internet. To add to the drama, they use that classic 70% off limited time offer with a ticking countdown timer. Interestingly, if you refresh the page, time miraculously resets. It's like they've discovered the fountain of youth, but specifically for sales tactics. This kind of pressure selling is a classic red flag, right up there with the fact that there is absolutely no information about the team running the show. Legitimate companies usually like to prove they exist, but Airabreeze prefers the international man of mystery vibe. Their customer support is equally elusive. The live chat is basically a ghost town, and the phone number seems to be reused more than a cheap rental car. If you run into trouble, you're basically on your own in the heat. Between the negative reviews, fake urgency, and total lack of transparency, this site is a hard pass. Stay safe, keep your money, and thanks for watching till the end.